Hello and welcome everybody. XELA stock on 29 November. Let's see that step by step in this video. Okay, and let's start. So according to what we want here, it's going to be going for to explain to be explained for us whether this XELA stock is going to increase or decrease. So we go for 1 day update here, and it seems that is going to be such a thing that can be absolutely innocent for everybody want to see on this stock. So it's going to be 0 and 1 Fibonacci level here. Here is going to be 7 and here is going to be 17. So if you multiply this by, okay, maybe if you multiply this by I don't know, well, this be multiplied by 100, maybe it goes to be give you this value next time, because it's going to be so far in the stock. Okay, and if we want for 4 hours, it's going to be the same thing that happens, but in wider moving of waves. Hope you benefit from what had we explained on the stock video.